Apple Inc., a tech giant that has seen exponential growth and innovation over the past decades, now stands on the precipice of uncertainty. Questions are swirling around whether the company is entering a lost decade. A mix of factors, changing market dynamics, fierce competition and potential innovation stagnation, are all contributing to this speculation. But is this the reality, or merely conjecture? Welcome to Magnificent 7 Investing. We're about to dive deep into this intriguing topic. Apple's past success is undeniable, with products that revolutionized the tech industry. A journey back in time brings us to the birth of the iPhone in 2007. This iconic product, a brainchild of Steve Jobs, not only changed the way we communicate but also transformed Apple into a global tech titan. A few years later in 2010, Apple struck gold again with the iPad, a device that redefined portable computing. These innovations, among others, propelled Apple to astronomical heights. They brought in billions in revenue, and Apple's market cap soared, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. However, there's a twist in the tale. The tech landscape is ever evolving and the competition is fierce. Companies that once led the pack can find themselves struggling to keep up. And while Apple's past is filled with glittering success, it's the future we're interested in. But as we know, past success doesn't guarantee future results. The tech market isn't the same as it was when Apple released its first iPhone. This change is shaped by a multitude of factors, from evolving consumer preferences to the rapid pace of technological advancements. Remember, back in the day, when the iPhone was a novelty, a revolution in the realm of mobile technology. Today, the market is brimming with smartphones that rival the iPhone in terms of features, design, and even user experience. Giants like Samsung, Google, and Huawei have made significant strides, offering high-end, innovative devices that challenge Apple's dominance. Moreover, the rise of budget-friendly yet feature-rich smartphones from manufacturers in emerging markets, such as Xiaomi and Oppo, has intensified the competition even further. These players are steadily eating into Apple's market share, especially in regions like Asia and Africa. In addition to this, we're witnessing a shift in consumer behavior. There's a growing demand for integrated digital ecosystems that seamlessly connect a variety of devices and services. Apple's closed ecosystem, which was once its unique selling proposition, is now being challenged by more flexible and open platforms. Furthermore, the advent of new technology trends like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and 5G is reshaping the tech landscape. Competitors are quick to adapt and integrate these technologies into their products, pushing Apple to step up its game. With this in mind, Apple's future seems less certain. Innovation has been a key driver of Apple's success, but are they losing their edge? Apple has always been synonymous with groundbreaking innovation. From the first iPhone that revolutionized the smartphone industry to the sleek MacBooks that have become a staple in the tech world, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. But in recent years, we've seen a potential slowdown in their pace of innovation. The company that once surprised us with products we didn't even know we needed seems to have settled into a pattern of incremental improvements. The new iPhones, while undoubtedly high quality, largely offer enhancements on existing features, rather than groundbreaking new ones. The same goes for their other product lines, from the iPads to the Apple Watches. This raises concerns for investors. Apple's growth has been fueled by its ability to constantly redefine markets with its innovative products. But without new groundbreaking products, can they sustain this growth? Investors are not just buying into a company's present performance, but its future potential. And that potential is driven by innovation. If Apple's pace of innovation is indeed slowing, it could impact their future growth prospects. This is not to say that Apple is no longer innovative. They continue to invest heavily in research and development, and there are rumors of new product categories on the horizon. But the fact remains that it's been a while since we've seen a truly groundbreaking product from the tech giant. Innovation stagnation could be a serious threat to Apple's future growth. The next few years will be critical in showing whether Apple can continue to innovate and keep up its tradition of redefining markets. Otherwise, we might be witnessing the beginning of a lost decade for Apple. So is Apple truly entering a lost decade, or can they defy the odds? We've taken a journey through Apple's illustrious past, its triumphs and innovations that revolutionized the tech industry. We've seen how the market has changed, and how Apple's once pioneering spirit seems to be waning. We've pondered the implications of this stagnation, and how it could potentially affect investors in the broader tech industry. The tech giant's past successes do not guarantee its future. The market landscape is ever-changing, and companies must continuously innovate to stay relevant. Apple, once the epitome of innovation, now seems to be on a treadmill, possibly facing a lost decade. Yet we must not forget the resilience that Apple has demonstrated in the past. They've faced challenges before and managed to rise above them. But will they be able to do it again? That's the million-dollar question. The implications for investors are significant. If Apple fails to innovate and adapt, it could lead to a decline in its market share, affecting its stock value. On the flip side, if Apple can rekindle its innovative spark, it could resecure its position at the forefront of the tech industry, potentially leading to significant returns for investors. And what about the broader tech industry? Well, Apple's future could very well set the tone. If a giant like Apple can stumble, it sends a clear message to other tech companies about the importance of continuous innovation and adaptation. In the end, only time will tell whether Apple is truly facing a lost decade, or whether they can once again defy the odds and emerge victorious. What are your thoughts on Apple's future? Share your insights in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Magnificent 7 Investing for more analysis on your favorite stocks.